Miguel will be replaced by Jack Miller, who has been linked with the transfer to KTM since the French MotoGP at Le Mans. Links to KTM got stronger in recent weeks as it became evident that Ducati was looking to replace Miller inside its factory squad until the Austrian manufacturer officially confirmed the expected news on Thursday morning. Miller will now switch to his third different manufacturer since making his MotoGP debut in 2015 with Honda after spending the previous 5 seasons with Ducati, including the current 2022 campaign. Miller's move to KTM will bring him back into contact with Francesco, who took over as a Red Bull factory racing team manager earlier this year after leaving Pramac Ducati. Miller has had a decent start to the 2022 season, but the seasoned Australian has struggled to find consistency as the previous 2 rounds have shown. Miller finished third after Espargaro's last lap blunder in Mugello and Barcelona, while one of his prospectives replacement, George Martin, was fighting at the front in Barcelona and went on to finish second. Bastianini of Gresini is the only rider with more than 2 victories so far this season, and the 2020 Moto2 World Champion is considered the favourite to replace Miller inside the factory Lenovo Ducati squad. Miller was formerly a member of KTM program in Moto3, and according to Pete Bearer, a director of KTM Motorsports, the arrival of Miller is a big one for the organization. While Miller's situation has grown clearer as a result of his announced transition to KTM, Oliveira is not that fortunate. The Portuguese rider, who has been linked with a transfer to LCR Honda and is still in the running to join the Japanese company, might be considering a switch to Gresini Ducati. With Bastianini on the verge of being promoted whether to the factory or the Pramac squad, a place of Gresini is expected to become available. Gresini met with Oliveira in Catalonia after being offered the option to continue with KTM Tech 3, which he declined.